What's going on, friends and fans? Ryan Dohrn here, your friendly neighborhood sales coach, and this week we're talking about goals and exceeding your sales goals. I don't want you just to meet your goals. I want you to blow the roof off those goals. So what have I found with my clients and myself over the course of time that can really help you with that? Well, here's what I'd love to share. Setting a goal, that's the easy part. Anybody can set a goal. So you don't want to confuse yourself if somebody says, hey, are you really good at setting goals? Your answer's like, yeah, I'm really good at setting goals, but maybe not so good at exceeding or achieving or exceeding those goals. A goal without mini goals is just a dream. Let me say that again. A goal without mini goals, friends, that's just a dream. And I'd like to suggest to you that I try to never put more than 3 mini goals below a bigger goal. All right, so let me give you an example from the sales business. So if you need to book more meetings, like if one of your goals is, be clear by the way, I'd like to book 10 more meetings this week. There's 3 things that you're probably going to have to do. One of those things is you're going to need to be exceedingly relevant when you're reaching out to people, because nobody likes a generic salesperson. The second thing is you probably need to follow up every 3 business days. So that'd be another mini goal. And then the third mini goal would be, from my training, you're going to follow the rule of 3 and 3. 3 words in the subject line, 3 sentences max. So I know that if I achieve those 3 mini goals, those are 3 stair steps to get me to the bigger goal. Because a big goal without mini goals, that's just a dream. So don't confuse yourself. Don't be discouraged, though. Don't confuse yourself when somebody says, are you good at setting goals? If you say, I'm really great at setting goals, that's really not the question. Are you good at exceeding goals? Are you good at achieving goals? Are you good at blowing the roof off of goals? A goal without mini goals, friends, that's just a dream. Hey, love to find out what some of your goals are. Share them in the chat down below, whether you're watching the videos or listening to the podcast, because we always like to know what you're thinking out there. Never forget, friends, if sales was easy, everybody be doing it. And they're not. We're not crazy. I used to say that. Sales is a great career. It's going to feed your family for a lifetime. Love to come and speak at your national sales meetings. Love to coach your team and train them up as well. Reach out to me over at ryandohrn.com. All right, friends, we'll see you next week.